I'd like to review for you the SkinMedica TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream. This is a beautiful treatment cream for hydration, but also for post-procedure. And what that means is if you have, I would say something more than like a facial, if you have a chemical peel, if you have a CO2 laser, if you have something major like a facelift, a neck lift, or anything like that, it is for dry or post-procedure skin. I use it twice a day when I have a procedure done. And y'all can look, I have many different procedure videos out there, but it's the TNS ceramide treatment. It has growth factors in it. It is a ceramide rich cream that will feel beautiful on your skin. Let me see if I can read a little bit. It does have patented growth factors like the TNS blend does for SkinMedica. So it is a wonderful treatment. It's a wonderful addition to your skincare regime. This ceramide-rich treatment cream with the patented growth factor blend, TNS, and peptides helps restore the skin's moisture balance to dry post-procedure skin. So it's a moisturizer that will really help your skin and moisturize your skin. It's something great to have in your bathroom cabinet. I absolutely love it. Pick it up and put it in your cart today.